Hello everyone, welcome to the chemistry class. Today I am going to start the chapter aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones belongs to organic chemistry, and organic chemistry is all about the concept. In last video I completed chapter solution, means solution is related with the physical chemistry. Let's start the aldehyde and ketone. First of all, what is aldehyde and what is ketone, means why aldehyde and ketone, means the study of aldehyde and ketones takes place. Listen, aldehyde, basically the aldehyde is represented by CHO, while ketone is represented by C double bond O group. Clear? When we draw the open structure of aldehyde and ketones, so that when we observe aldehyde is CH double bond O, while ketone is like this. Clear? And both contains C double bond O group, and the C double bond O group is called carbonyl group. Clear? When we talk about the nature of carbonyl group, C double bond O. Clear? Oxygen is more electronegative as compared to carbon, so that the oxygen pulls the electron density towards itself, which acquires partial negative charge, while carbon acquires partial positive charge. Partial negative and partial positive. Whenever any positive charge species, that positive charge species is called electrophile. Carbon behaves like electrophile, while oxygen behaves like nucleophile. Clear? And the nature of carbonyl group is highly polar, means it has polar molecules, and due to polar molecules the dipole moment of carbonyl group is high. Clear? And carbonyl group, when we talk about the carbon atom of carbonyl group, carbon atom of carbonyl group is sp2 hybridized. Due to the sp2 hybridization, the carbonyl group, the structure of carbonyl group is planar. Clear? Means the structure of carbonyl group is planar. Why? Due to sp2 hybridization. Why sp2 hybridization? Because carbon atom of carbonyl group contains 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Clear? Means carbon atom of carbonyl group contains, means which is linked with 3 sigma bond, means all single, means single bond means 1 sigma, and double bond means 1 sigma 1 pi, and triple bond means 1 sigma 2 pi. So the carbonyl group is attached with 1 double bond, that means 1 sigma 1 pi and 2 sigma here. Clear? So the total number of sigma bond is 3 and pi bond 1. Due to the presence of 3 sigma and 1 pi, carbon atom of carbonyl group is sp2 hybridized. Now the general methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones, means how aldehydes and ketones are obtained. Now let's start the first method. First method is oxidation. Oxidation occurs in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate, H2SO4. Acidified potassium dichromate is a strong oxidizing agent. Clear? That means when the primary alcohol, What is primary alcohol? Whenever the alcoholic group is directly attached with a primary carbon, means 1 degree carbon, that is called primary alcohol. For example, like RCH2OH. Clear? This is the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is oxidized. So the nascent oxygen is directly attached with the active hydrogen. What is active hydrogen? Active hydrogen is that hydrogen which is directly linked with that carbon is already attached with a functional group. That is called active hydrogen. Means RCH and one oxygen atom is attached with this oxygen, RCHOH, and it forms unstable. Why this compound is unstable? Listen. Means whenever the two alcoholic group is directly attached with the same carbon atom, forms unstable molecules, which turns into the stable molecules by the releasing of water molecules, and it released H2O and forms RCHO, and RCHO is called aldehyde. Listen, whenever the primary alcohol is oxidized in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate, that gives aldehyde. Clear? When we talk about the secondary alcohol, what is secondary alcohol? When the alcoholic group is directly attached with 2 degree carbon, that is called secondary alcohol. Clear? For example, CHOH. This is called secondary alcohol. Why it is called secondary alcohol? Because OH group is directly attached with 2 degree carbon. This carbon is 2 degree. Clear? When secondary alcohol is oxidized in the presence of strong oxidizing agent, acidified potassium dichromate, so the nascent oxygen is directly attached with the active hydrogen, means R, R, C, OH and OH. And two alcoholic group cannot exist with the same carbon atom. It forms unstable molecules. So the water molecule is automatically released, and H2O is removed. So and it forms RR, C double bond O. That is called ketone. Clear? Means whenever the primary alcohol gets oxidized, it forms aldehyde. When secondary alcohol gets oxidized in the presence of acidic potassium dichromate, it forms ketone. Clear? Second and most important method is Rosenmund reaction. It is very important concept, and it is very important for exam as well as competition. Clear? Rosenmund reaction, the main reagents of Rosenmund reaction is palladium BaSO4, and Rosenmund reaction is only valid for aldehyde, because from Rosenmund reaction only aldehyde group is obtained. Clear? It is only valid for aldehyde. Ketone does not obtain by this process. Listen, whenever the acyl group is reduced, what is called acyl group? COCl group is called acyl group. Whenever the acyl group means R, C double bond O, Cl, this is called acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. Whenever the acyl group is reduced in the presence of palladium, barium sulfate, so the one hydrogen and one chlorine combines to form HCl, means HCl is removed as a byproduct. HCl clear, and one hydrogen is directly attached with carbon, means this bond is broken and Cl is attached with a hydrogen to form HCl, and one hydrogen which is connected with this carbon, so R C double bond O H means aldehyde group is obtained. Clear. What is the function of palladium BaSO4? Clear. Palladium, here the palladium BaSO4 behaves like a negative catalyst. Negative catalyst. Clear. In place of palladium BaSO4, we can also use quinoline and sulfur. And negative catalyst, it also behaves as poison catalyst. Why this catalyst is used? Listen, whenever, suppose that this catalyst is not used, so the aldehyde further reduced. When aldehyde are CHO, which further reduced and turns into RCH2OH. Clear? So the palladium BaSO4 behaves like a negative catalyst which stop the reduction of aldehyde and turn the aldehyde to turns into primary alcohol. Clear? Because we have to form aldehyde. That's why palladium BaSO4 is used, which behaves like a negative catalyst. Clear? In place of palladium BaSO4, we can also use quinoline and sulfur. Now the next method is from gem dihalide. First of all, what is called gem dihalide? Listen, when two same halogen group are attached with the same carbon atom, that is called gem dihalide. Clear? For example, like RCHXX. This is called gem dihalide because two halogen are attached with the same carbon atom. That is called gem dihalide. Clear? Now, when the gem dihalide, suppose that in place of X we use chlorine, RCHCl2, which is hydrolyzed in the presence of strong alkali, and strong alkali either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. 2 moles of sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are used because of two halogen atoms. Clear? Means 2 moles of NaOH, so RCH OH and OH, and 2 moles of Na and 2 moles of Cl combines with to form 2 NaCl. Again, 2 OH group are directly attached with the same carbon atom. It forms unstable molecule. So the water molecule is released and it turns into aldehyde. Clear? Whenever the two halogen atoms are present at the corner of the chain of the organic compound, so always aldehyde is obtained. Clear? Now, when the halogen atoms, means gem dihalide, two halogen atoms are present at the second position or at the center of organic compound. For example, like R C Cl Cl R. Clear? And it is hydrolyzed in the presence of strong alkali, means now this time potassium hydroxide is used, so 2 moles of potassium chloride KCl are removed and 2 moles of OH are attached in place of Cl. R, C, OH, OH and R. Again, unstable molecule is obtained, so the water molecule is removed, and when water molecule is removed, then it forms C double bond O R. That is called ketone. Clear? Clear? So listen, whenever the halogen atom in gem dihalide halogen atom are present at the corner of the chain, that gives aldehydes. Clear? But when the halogen atom are present at the center or the second carbon atom, but not first position of the carbon atom of organic compound, so always gives ketone. Clear? That means these are the methods of few important methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Make a habit of revising all the concept of methods of preparation of aldehyde and ketones and the concept of organic compound as well.